YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you another Modnation try-on haul for the $50 bundle deal. Stay tuned, subscribe, and watch the rest of this video.
You ain't never afraid to be by yourself. You ain't never afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. Say you ain't afraid to be by yourself. You don't need a man, you do it by yourself. You did it by yourself.
I am adding pieces to the bundle deal. New pieces. I have 4 jumpsuits. So the first item is this olive jumpsuit. It's like a balloon jumpsuit, skinny strap, don't mind my bra. Balloon bottom with a waistband bottom, olive pockets on both sides. So this is the first item. You can wear this. This is great for spring. You can put a jean jacket over it. Sandals, flip-flops, heels, wedges. Great for spring. Summer is coming up. You can run errands in this. You can lounge around the house in this. You can really go to brunch in this. Throw on some heels. You can put a belt around it. You know, just different ways to wear it. So that is the first item. So yes, I brought it back in a mauve color, pastel pink, or whatever you want to call it. This is a mauve color. I just brought up the leg a little bit. You can wear it either down or up. So this is the mauve color. Like I said, you can lounge around in this jumpsuit. Put a belt around it. Throw a jean jacket on. Throw some sandals on. Great for spring. Pockets on the side. Oh, where is it? So yeah, this will be added to the $50 bundle deal. 3 items for $50. If you are new here, I have a clothing website, Modnation Clothing, ShopModnation.com. Last month I brung a $50 bundle deal where you get 3 items for $50. So like a mix and match on certain items, and these are 2 items that I am bringing. So yeah, this is the second item. So this is the third item. It's like a safari tan jumpsuit, fitted. I have my bra on with this. Yeah, my bra will show in the back, so yeah, you probably wouldn't be able to wear a bra, but you can wear a bra. Throw a jean jacket over it. So yeah, I see this with some sandals, flip-flops, heels, tennis shoes. You can definitely wear it with tennis shoes. Yeah, I see me wearing this with my little tiger boots with a jean jacket, just, you know, to go get some drinks in, just to lounge around. You can lounge around in this. So yeah, basic pieces, lounge around, run errands. Yeah, now I do wear a size small, of course. The last 2 items was a size small. So yeah, maybe someone who wears size medium can wear those, could wear those in a size small in the balloon jumpsuit, because they stretch. This stretch too, so this is the size small in Safari. And of course I had to bring it in black. Can't go wrong with a black, all black jumpsuit, romper, whatever you want to call it, sneakers, sandals, yeah, heels. So yeah, I definitely like the black. I like both of them really. Nice fit, wonderful stretch. So yeah, all 4 items is like a jumpsuit, something to just slip on and go if you need to go run errands, go pick up the kids, you know, yeah, grocery shopping, V-neck. So those are the items. If you are new here, subscribe, like, go check out my website. Follow us on Instagram at ShopModnation. Stay tuned to see when these pieces drop for the $50 bundle deal. Sign up for our email list. So yeah, so you can know, so you can be the first ones to know when new arrivals drop. Yeah, promo deals, sales. Follow my personal Instagram at India Story, NDIASTORY, India Story without the I. So yeah, those are the 4 basic pieces I am bringing to the site. See you soon.